Now we're gonna learn how we can use this layout and use this placeholder for our text, image, and other data. So over here, when you open your PowerPoint and you have your first slide, you can see this is the layout. So if I go to home ribbon and then we go to slide option, slide layout, and we are taking title, and let's take comparison. All right, so over here you can see that we have click to add title. So on this title we will write our title for this slide. So let's write it image and text. Great. So now we have this comparison layout. So over here, this is a text box that we have been using or we have learned on our earlier lesson. You can delete it or you can keep it. For this example, let's try deleting this. So how you can delete it? Just click on this box where you can see that it have been selected. You can right click on your mouse, and you can so how can you delete it? Right click on this box and hit delete, and this box will be deleted. So let's go and delete this box as well. Now let's go and bring that box manually. So let's go to design. So let's go to insert and let's take the text box, and over here I want to create that text box for the comparison title. All right, so now let's go back again and create for the second one text box, and we will be creating for the second one, right? All right, and we can adjust it through this circle that is being on this square. All right, so now this is one of the text box. Let's write it as image. Let's write it as image. Let's make it a little bit larger. Let's make this text a little bit larger. Let's make it 32. And let's write it as text. So now over here I want to insert an image. So how can I do that? You can see here are some insert options. So from here I will go and select this picture option, and over here I have few images. So let me just select the image and insert it, and you can see that I have able to insert an image. And over here I want to insert a text, but right now I will insert a table. So here is the table and here is the column and row. You can select it. So let's make it 5 column 5 rows. Okay, and you can see that I have able to create a table as well. So through this way we can very easily use this layout for making changes to our slide. So go and play around with all this layout, and if you have any issue just let me know so that I can help you out.